In a place growing as fast as our Colorado, there's something appealing about the idea of a homeowners association, right? They promise to keep the neighborhood looking nice no matter who moves in, and then you find yourself arguing with them over like paint colors or the flowers you planted or some other stupid thing you never thought would ever come up. And issues like that have state lawmakers now calling for HOAs to be reined in. But as Denver 7's Megan Lopez reports, not everyone's on board.
So this is my beautiful backyard.
These are not exactly the yard decorations Holly Crystal had in mind when she bought her dream home in Frisco.
I'm in the unfortunate situation where I need to have no trespassing signs up.
Not the welcoming message she wanted to send to neighbors.
So unfortunately, this is now my new reality.
For the past 5 years, Holly has been fighting with her homeowners association over property rights.
The HOA had updated documents to say that our private property was common space. There really are no checks and balances in Colorado for HOAs. Which I was shocked.
A debate happening in this tiny HOA in Frisco and within the halls of the Colorado State Capitol.
For the last 15 months, I've spent $65,000 in attorney's fees.
One homeowner after another sharing HOA horror stories to a state committee.
My wife was deemed to plant a garden that was too beautiful.
Imploring for something to be done. And right in the front row, two lawmakers who co-sponsored a bill last session to rein in community managers by licensing them. That bill was vetoed by Governor Polis. Instead, he wants to address the issue of homeowners associations more broadly.
What were the most concerns that we heard? Right, consumer protection for the homeowner.
After 4 hearings, it's back to the drawing board for lawmakers.
This is one of our biggest, largest investments in our life that we make, and we are listening, and we want to make sure that we give them the protections they need.
It's their job now to draft legislation to address important things for homeowners, like transparency and accountability.
My hope is that the state of Colorado can put regulations in place shortly to address some of these issues.
And give people like Holly some clarity on what their rights are. Megan Lopez, Denver 7.